Hello, my friends. My name is Atul Mehra. I'm author, international speaker, and registered psychotherapist in Ontario, Canada. I have published my first book, The Unseen Wisdom of the Unborn. The second one is in editing, The Need for Disease. Third and fourth are coming, and third one is My Unconscious Self, and Addiction is Survival, Not Guilt. I was born in New Delhi, India, where I did my master's degree, and then I traveled around the world. When I was 4 years old, my father taught me how to meditate. And I remember I understood the power of mind, especially when I invited bullies in my life. I remember, going on a bus and, so scared when I'm going to go to school, there are going to be kids, going to hit me, treat me bad. So I have that anxiety. And when I was coming back, I had anxiety that I going to be bullied by the people, by the friends who are around me. But everything happens for a reason. And the best thing I learned, how I was with that meditation self, how I was separate physical anxiety, physical pain from mental pain. So I remember after that, I take full responsibility of it, and then I realized that how I attracted those bullies in my life, especially when I did my integrative therapy of in-depth psychology course from Germany, and where I worked my whole life. Let us say I was 35 years old at the time, and the therapy was one session of 1 year of 1 week, working backwards 35, 34, 10, 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, mother's womb 9, 8, 3, 2, 1, and 0 year the therapy finished. That make me understand how important the human mind is, and that anxiety become a very, very important factor in my life. And I remember how I learned that anxiety from my mother, which was not mine. And after that, I have been working now since last 22 years, and I have worked with thousands of clients, more than 20,000 sessions, from simple anxiety to schizophrenia and everything in between, with 90% of success rate, including disintegration of a tumor. And that thing has allowed me to understand anxiety on the deepest level. So we bring this anxiety from our mother. We create that anxiety, and we don't understand because we do not have, at that age, we do not have a mind of an adult. So the base of anxiety, my course is about anxiety, because the base of anxiety is 2 or 3 years of person's age. But let me share my secret with you. You will be surprised to know, but one of the best thing can happen to you is anxiety. Anxiety, from unconscious point of view, is an unspoken, anxiety is unspoken, unconscious, unexpressed expression of self. Because we cannot love ourselves in parts. We cannot say that my right arm is better than my left arm, and my right leg is worse than my other thing. No, we are complete. So that is why, who creates anxiety? The person himself. Nobody goes and says, "Sir, would you like to buy my anxiety? I'm giving 50% discount." It's not like that. So person creates anxiety. There are 9 billion people in the world, and I'm sure that every one of them feels anxiety sometime during a day or some part of their life. Because this is anxiety which is making us, go ahead, because this is anxiety which makes you wake up early in the morning and do the things you want to do. And if that anxiety goes in excess, then it stops you. Let us say someone has anxiety, how he's going to do in exams. Other has anxiety, how he's going to do in financial situation, what is going to happen if he dies a sudden death. Then other is anxious about his marriage life, what is going to happen to that person if his wife leaves him or if husband leaves him. The other is anxious that how he is going to speak in front of million people. And others are looking how they are going to create that acceptance, or how they are going to get that validation from others. So everything is moving around anxiety. Anxiety is your relationship, your love towards your children, your wife, your friends, your finances, your success, your mental health, your physical health, everything moves around anxiety. So once you start understanding where it originates, so basically anxiety originates in mother's womb because we inherited it unconsciously and now we are living it with it. And then once we start working, when we go to that age and we understand it, then simply we can say, okay, it was important at that time, but there is no need to keep on working with it. And suddenly, all of a nowhere, you can see that all your panic attack, all your fears, etc., they start disappearing. Because it is like that. So if, let us say in 2-3 years, so it's like a small, ugly duckling, that weak duckling, like the story, grows up and, converts into a handsome, intelligent, and wise adult swan. That is something, the miracle we need to create in our life. So this course is going to help you to understand yourself, have that connection with yourself. Because when you judge yourself, you divide yourself and you are separate. One part of you is saying, this is right, other part is saying, this is not right, and that creates anxiety. That creates struggle. And your whole life goes around it, and maybe although you are living, but you're trying to fill that emptiness somewhere. So I would like to invite you to join me in this course where you are going to resolve many things in your life, and then you are going to find that anxiety is pathway to success, because your anxiety is telling you what you are not doing in your life. Your anxiety, your body is trying to tell you in an alien language, hey, you are not doing what you're supposed to do. And once you start living that thing, then there is a shift, there is a change. And you will find that you have more success in your relationship because you are complete within you. You have a more success in your financial decision because you're not afraid anymore. You're not scared anymore. Then you have a better mental health. You have better physical health. And that is going to not only change your life, but your children's life, because your children learn from you. Because they're not going to follow what you say. They look at you and suddenly they start living the same way. And this is how you're going to make better relationship with your wife and the people around you. So I invite you to have this course, and we will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.